Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Sony digital camera ZV-1. What you see in front of you is everything that came in the box. You have your reference guide here. You have your Sony accessories, limited warranty. You got your startup guide in a couple of languages, and your registration card. You also have your rechargeable battery that comes with it. You have your charging cable. You have your windscreen and the camera itself. Nice little sleek looking camera. First thing you want to do here is you want to install the battery. So if you look in here, you have where you're going to be installing the battery. The battery has a little arrow. This arrow goes towards the locking mechanism right here. Just go ahead and install that right there. Here it click. Close it. This little windscreen that comes with it. Take this little part off right here. We're gonna go ahead and insert this right about here. There's your little windscreen. And of course, this is to charge your camera. Your charging port is gonna be, you got three right here. You got your mic, you got your multi, and you got your HDMI. It would be under the multi. Just open that baby up, connect it here, and then put it to charge. Let's see what it has just coming right out of the box. I'm trying to turn this baby on. So if you notice, this little windscreen was kind of covering the on button right here. So you gotta make sure you turn it on. Goes through the setup, English, daylight savings time. And there you go. Of course, it says it doesn't have a card because you need to bring your own card, and you would install your card down here as well. What I like, what really drew me to this this camera was the fact that I do a lot of videos for YouTube, and this little feature right here is going to be awesome because I'll be able to see what I'm doing, see if I'm in frame or not. So all right, so I'll go ahead and I'll upload more videos as I do more videos with this camera, and I'll let you know how it turns out. But for right now, this was just an unboxing. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to keep up with the latest and greatest.